I get this question all the time. Devin, what should you fix first if your faceless videos get impressions but almost no clicks? Fix the packaging before you touch the content. If YouTube is already giving you impressions, the problem usually is not the topic and it is not your edit yet. The first failure point is the click decision. That means thumbnail and title. Here's the simple check I use. First, can someone understand the video in 1 second? Your thumbnail should communicate one idea, not 5. Second, does the title add specificity? It should complete the thumbnail with a clear outcome, audience, or constraint, not just say the same thing twice. Third, look at traffic source. If most impressions come from browse or suggested, you need a stronger curiosity gap and cleaner visual contrast. If they come from search, you need tighter keyword alignment and less clever wording. My rule is 1 video, 1 promise, 1 reason to click. Faceless channels feel this more because you do not have a face creating instant trust on the homepage. So your packaging has to do all the trust work up front. If you want to test multiple title and thumbnail angles without making the process messy, CTR is useful as the workflow layer. Fix what people see first, then worry about retention.